Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are playing Don't Press the Button. Yeah, and right now. Oh! Actually, you just stole my coin! Can we buy coins? Oh, what is going on? I got squished. Oh no, that's not. No, no! We are automatically dying right now. Wow, so sad. What is going on right now? I don't understand. We just barely started right now. And then we're already dying right now. It's like sad. Oh, okay. We just gotta kick it in here. Easy peasy. Ah, someone's blow drying me. Hey! Someone blow dried me. Blow dried me. Blow dried me. Sorry.
Man.
He's just trying to blow dry it in the thing.
Don't get him. Man. Man, you're not doing anything.
Oh, I just got 100 coins right now. Wow. Daily reward. Wait. Wait, could I just buy coins? Oh, something happened, but I don't know what it was, but we're just gonna buy. Think fast. I think very slow, so just so you know. I don't really think too fast because I don't like thinking and stuff like that. Okay, so now we're just gonna coin, shiny. We're just gonna go right here. Claim. Do I just oh wow, I just oofed. What? How? I swear, if I just get oofed right now, no man, I don't want to do that. I don't want to get oofed. Okay, let's see. We could buy credits. Could we buy credits? We just wasted our money right now, but we're buying it right now. And yeah. Okay, now we have 500 coins. Okay, we're going to shop. What are we shopping for today? We are shopping for blow dryer. Oh, that's too expensive. Let's get a simple. Oh wait. Oh, we speed running. We know that I suck at speed runs. Oh. Well, we automatically failed. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna eat a taco. Because that's all I could think of right now. I can't even think of anything else. What is this, a bomb?
Oh no! Oh
no! Oof. Okay. Oh, there's a coin right here. You know what's there? We got tacos. Get to the top. Oh, gosh. Ah, someone just kicked me off. I can't get up. My screen broke. It's funny how we're the only people down here. But Oh, wow. You know what? We're just gonna eat a taco. Delicious.
oh shoot!
Who doesn't love a good old taco? Oh, choose a side. Okay, Axel, we have to choose a color side. I choose blue. Because there's no red. Haha. If I chose red, then I would have died. You know what? I'm following everyone. Yes. No! Everyone's just... That guy's just too OP. He's just over there. He's just flying. You know? He just likes to fly. I'm gonna follow this dog. Oh! No! Oh, I don't know if I was supposed to live or supposed to die. I don't know. What is the point in life anymore? Hello, sir. You just stole my coin, sir. Oh, we're doing these now. Okay. 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 You know what? Oof, we gotta survive. I have never played this, but I'll try.
Oh shoot!
No!
Man.
We just died on the first round. Wait, is this
Oh,
the first
shoot.
round? Who's keeping track anymore? If someone's on this, oh, because of the loading point.
Hello.
There, no one would have survived
Hello?
that. Oh my gosh! Press the button. Watch out! Watch out for what? Axel, did you just? Oh, I died too. I think I died. Okay, press the button. Why do we do this? I don't like how we load. I don't like it. What is this? Very expensive. Maybe next time we play this, we'll buy it. Okay. Oh, somebody has a... What is this? We're just bananas. This is our purpose. Yes. Click the button. Press button. Slide down where? Oh, we slide down over here. You want? I'm gonna slide. We're gonna slide down the slide. You with me? Yes. How comfortable. Wow. Oh, we just killed ourselves. Wow. That's so nice to just like find out that you're just gonna kill yourself and then. Okay. So now, nature cat, stop hogging it. Oh, what is this? Are you serious? I like that person's jacket because that's part of the cutsies. Are you lucky or unlucky? I don't know what I got. Did I get something? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Who knows? Shoot. Oh no. Oh no. No. Oh. Well, we all knew that we weren't able to make that because this is our first time here, so you can't really blame us. Yeah. Okay, we just gotta eat a taco. We gotta get serious now. This is game time. You hear me, Axel? Oh, I pressed the button. Oh. Oh! Oh no. I do not want to press. Oh. I do not want to go over there, sir. Another one? Oh. Hello, sir. Okay, so we're just gonna go over here. Oh, what is this? I have a taco. What do I do?
Gum knew me.
Oh, this guy won. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Oh, he's trying to fight me with the blow dryer. You know what? No. No! We survived anyway. Who cares? Again. Oh no. Oh no. How are we supposed to do that? This makes no sense. I mean, the only guy that was able to do that was the guy who had the little plane thingy. Makes no sense. Acknowledge. Okay. Knowledge. Yeah, we're pretty dumb, so I don't think we could acknowledge anything. Whoa, a buck. What's the buck had to say? Ill. What's ill? Like, sick? Oh. Are you serious? No one likes this.
We all gonna make this.
We made it. I made it. Finally, after like so long, I finally made it.
Shobe?
This guy, Aliens? Are you serious? Wow. Wow, who just loves getting be taken like aliens? Okay. Everyone's just gonna be dying. Let me eat my taco before I die. I ate it before I died. Hello. Okay. You know what? We're gonna buy something else. Watch out. I know what this is. This is a bomb. Oh, that's a bowling ball. That's not a bomb. That's a bowling ball. I like this. It could be anything. Now aliens. Okay. This is really fun. I like this. I like this a lot. Okay, what's next? Huh. Let's take it to the next level. We cannot afford this. What's this? Oh. Yeah, we don't have enough money for that. We're just gonna buy this. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I do not understand this. I am just glitched. No one is able to survive. This game is just promoting Roblox. You know what? There. Someone get the ball. Oh, that girl's actually following it. Oh, no. No. Do I get my ball back? No, I don't. That's just a waste. We just die. We just automatically die. We just get taken by aliens. You know what? They're like, no, we don't want you. You guys suck. You guys aren't even good at obbies. Oh no, she took it. She took my ball. Okay, we gotta be pro. Oh my goodness. You know what? I'll give someone else the ball. It's a curse. Go get it, girl. Go get it. Oh, you took my ball, SpongeBob? I mean, you took my ball, Axel? You took it? Why taking stuff? You're not supposed to be taking other people's things. That's not safe. Hurry and reach the top. Wow, the top is so high. We would never in the world get that. Unless we play a lot of obbies, and I'll think that's actually think fast. How are we supposed to think fast when that's open? Gosh, you know, there's Mercury angry. Even the guy who paid Robux is still here. Feed the giant noob. Okay. Oh, that guy took my beat ball. Okay. Okay. Hello, sir. What would you like today? Would you like my meatball? I mean, no, not my meatball, but like, oh, Axel, are you just sliding on there? You want no eating for you. Oh wow. I wonder if I feed him this. I think I'm just giving other people like items right now. It's like the way that we're loading right now. You know what? Nope. Eat this. We can never stop. Let me go out of here. Oh, I cannot even sit on his shoulder. How?
Oh no.
How is this able? Oh, Axel, you just fell off. Oopsies. Think fast. Oh no. I don't think fast. You know what? We're small brains. We don't think fast. We think slow. This game is for legit people, like people who have played Roblox for like all their life. Oh no, what is this? This is why I do not. Acid is spreading. Wow, so amazing. Axel, are you alive?
Yeah. See me?
How are you alive? Tell me your secret, sir. I'd like to know.
Hello.
You know what? Next time I'm just gonna stay right here next to the treasure chest because that's where everything's safe. You know?
Think fast. Think fast.
I'm staying here because of think fast. So just press the button. Bad weather. Oh! What's going on? Whoa. You know what? Everything's gonna be A-okay. We're just gonna eat a taco and be okay. Yeah, nothing's bad ever's gonna happen, you know? Wow, it's just so peaceful today. Wow. It's not even getting anyone. Just get someone already, okay? This thunder sucks. You know what?
I was hiding.
You were hiding? Oh, no. Oh. How are we supposed to do this?
Abel, pass me the ball.
Okay, I passed the ball. It's going away. I want to get the ball first. My ball. Okay, ready, Axel? We're going to play pass. Axel, come over here. Ready? Catch. Catch it. You're supposed to catch it, not. Oof. Okay, we're gonna choose pink. Well, we're gonna choose pink because it's close to that red subscribe button. And yeah, leave a like and we'll see you on next one. Bye, guys. Gosh, when will this stop, please?
Yeah.
Can someone help me? Oof. Oh, we survived! Yay!